Now let's pray. Let's pray. Otherwise, I need to play the OG version and just get a manual to avoid that copyright protection. Okay, that's looking good. So as long as we have a shield, I'm gonna be smart about this. Here we go. Okay, the first version felt indefinitely better. But the music on this one is very nice, so Demi did not lie. We got a dynamite, then we got a treehouse here, and there's nothing we can do about this thing, it seems. Yeah, Part War for sure is more popular. Okay, there should be one more tree alive, yeah. Oh, they go on forever. They don't have a scripted path anymore. Okay, Doggo. We're gonna take Doggo. Answer me a cheat question. Alright. James Bond has a way to toggle unlimited lives by collecting certain items in the right order. Is that a cheat? I think this would be considered a bug, except some games even mentioned something like that in their manual or in their title screens. Like, there is one way to get unlimited lives, and if you figure out how, you're good to go. Something like that. They mention stuff like that, but that doesn't make it necessarily a cheat. It's only a cheat if you have to enable it via a hidden code or something, but if it's a mechanic of the game, it is normally considered fine. Because the first letters of the items spell lives. That is considered a game secret. I think if you were to make a score run, for example, it's something you would need to mention. Okay, now all of a sudden we got bird. There's also another trick in that same game, collect items, spell cheat to get invulnerability. I think if you were making a score run, it wouldn't go through, but if you were doing anything else, it would be fine. That's not what we wanted. Not at all. I tend to agree that a cheat would be a code of some sort or a trainer, yeah. Stuff like that normally, yeah. So I would say if you want to play the game and enjoy it, there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, you had an Amiga childhood, Demi, right? So you remember probably that back then the way we did it was just play the game with a trainer or whatever the means were, so we could enjoy the game and get far. This game has very weird sections. Don't at me. I'm sure you mean good, Nicky. But I don't feel you. I don't feel you at all on this iteration. This just feels like trying new blitters for the sake of it, while totally missing the fact that a game needs to have great gameplay to make that worth. But ultimately, Demi, you're trying to play the game. If you would play it for enjoyment on the Amiga livestream, like, I would just love to see how far the game goes. But then again, I would love to see how far you can get, so I would play it once with that live thing, because it's a super cool thing also to show other people. Okay, water is a no-go. Wow. And then I would really advise you to play it again, but, like, do it properly. Spy bear. It's also something we discovered back then. Don't know about the trick, about the other trickster. It would be worth looking into it, I believe. $5K. Oh, nice. We just wasted this. The likability is high that you can even form more words. So for me personally, this has nothing to do with the goodness that was Little Nicky one. Kinda disappointed. $20K cookie. Game has it all. Ah, okay. Why are the controls so hideous? If it's about Little Nicky, I'm a little picky. I think the flying just makes it more convoluted to some degree. It's tanky. Yippee! Of course, yeah. Are you going to play it on Amiga Live or just playing it privately? Because if you're going for the thing, I think it would be super interesting to just showcase it, you know? I'm a big advocate for that. Maybe I should have gone for that chest, but maybe we needed the key for the chest, so we're about to see. But seeing that the world record for this game is rather low on... Oh, come on! On OG hardware with 195k and we're on 123 already shows you that this game didn't receive much love compared to the first one. You can activate all doors at the beginning? That is cool. Now that is cool because that helps me even to like lap the later on levels because they are kinda tough. The levels you have to face later on are kind of tough. Oh, we got a second key. I take that. What? I just used my dynamite here. For nothing? What is this? Was it all but a legitimate troll? Because with this here, we cannot go back. Like this is locking us in here. Then this here is locked off. Ah, okay. What? Oh, they split off into little mushrooms. Fair. Very cool. Only if you jump on it. Huh. I guess. Come on. Are we soft locked now? Because the thing is, you cannot swim. The moment you try to get into the water, this happens. Where will we respawn? Oh, of course here. What are we supposed to do now? The game? Which game made you jump out of your chair? Until 2? Have you come across Amiga games that have a lot of high score competitions? Mostly and sadly, the old ones. So I'm talking arcade games. In terms of like Galaga, Space Invader clones. So all the old arcade heads can wrap their head around that. I guess that's a soft block right there. What a mess of a game. Because if we can't even like get down here or something. Like, what is the reason of this whole thing? Damn. The only thing we can try is to see if there is maybe some hidden stones, but I don't think so. I think we're just dead. Yeah, 141, 300. Goodbye. What a trash game. Oh my god. Nicky 2, why you have to be mad?